We're gonna do an item. It's a mix of acting, singing, and also dancing. You ready for this? And it's the youth perception. It's the experience of youth before, during, and after the cyclone. You ready? Let's do it. Before the cyclone.
And I say, you don't have to worry about a single thing. Just let me sing to you. Oh,
Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna go nail the walls and the windows in there. I'll be fast.
Oh my God! Hello, George!
Hey,
What are you doing?
hold on, man.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, no, I'm just fixing up the house. They said Cyclone Gita is coming.
Bro, can't you see I'm trying to sleep here? And all you do is just hitting the hammer on the nail?
Bro, it's a cyclone. A cyclone's gonna.
Okay, how many category is this? Come on, tell me, how many category?
I heard it's 4 or 5.
Bro, that's the same as 2. What? Bro, I've been in Tonga for 19 years now. Bro, and I experienced more than 100 cyclones. Look at the house that we are, still the same. So leave it alone so that I can sleep.
You mean this house?
Bro, don't push it too hard, what I'm trying to say.
Bro.
But you know what, you wanna join us? Because we're going to the wharf for a swim. Because this is the best time to swim, when the waves is over the mountain.
That's ridiculous, bro. Come and grab some wood. We got heaps of wood, and just fix up your house, man.
And on our way to the wharf, we're gonna pick up all the chickens. They're not gonna fly anymore.
What?
Because the wind is gonna be too strong for them.
Nah.
And we're gonna pick up some mango for Otai. You wanna join?
Nah, I gotta fix up.
Oh man. Okay then. I'll see you after the cyclone.
Okay. Make sure. Remember, we got food and stuff as well. Just if you need a place to stay.
Sure. Thank you.
Bye.
During the cyclone. After the cyclone.
Oh man. Dad, I'm just gonna go see if everyone else is alright. Yeah, we're all good last night.
Oh shucks.
Look around. It's wasted out here. Hold on. I'm just gonna go look at the windows there, see if it's all good. Oh, nah, it's all good. The roof. Oh, we'll just nail this in a little bit later on. I'm just gonna go check on Mama. Mama. Are you alright?
Bro, do I look like I'm alright? Am I smiling to you or laughing to you? Bro, I never thought it's gonna be like this. My house is gone.
Oh my God, I told you, man. You should have just come and stay with us.
Lucky I was drunk last night. I can't see and feel anything. But you know what? Have you heard of the news?
What news?
Bro, Australia and New Zealand, they're already here to help me.
Already?
Bro, straight to me. Already. They're at the airport.
You gotta stop being ridiculous. Bro, just come here, look at all the houses. You think they're gonna come straight to you? When
Yes.
you got all these places to help?
I'm waiting for my tabolin. And I'm waiting for my water and food.
Oh.
They are bringing that one.
Bro, I really think you shouldn't rely on their aid. You know, just be like how we used to do back in the days. And we'll just go, we need to replant, we need to go and we need to just fix up our houses, we need to do it ourselves.
What about the help and the aids though?
Yeah, we have all the aid that we need, but bro, don't rely on it. It's a waste of time.
Whoa, I think that's a good idea. But I still wait on the tabolin.
Hi.
If they don't gonna turn up first to me, bro, I'm gonna post it on Facebook.
What?
Bro, and I'm gonna call the radio and talk live about it. Complain the whole time, 24/7.
Don't be sad, don't be like,
Bro, jokes. But that's jokes. Jokes.
you need to relax, bro.
Yeah, but I like it. Let's go start planting stuff and can you help and put up my house?
Yeah, I'll give you a hand. Come on, let's go.
Okay, yeah, let's go.
Maybe I came on too strong. Maybe I waited too long. Yes, maybe I played my card, oh, just a little bit wrong. Maybe I fast forward.
I could fall, I could fly here in your aeroplane, and I could leave, I could die hanging on your what you said. Feeling on, keep my